students. Now we are going to see the do the sums in exercise 6.3, that fourth sum. In this exercise they give the sums including only the depression. Depression, you know, for the depression you have to write the given angle 2 times. மேல இருந்து கீழ பார்க்கிறது, that is below the horizontal line, that is depression. Depression means double times we have to write the angles. Here they give an aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meter finds that two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. So the first object is aeroplane. First one is aeroplane. Height is given, that is the height, the distance from the ground. Another one, two boats. In the two boats they are giving in the same direction. Boats on the opposite direction illa, they are giving in the same direction. Next they give angles of depression. So for two boats they give 60 degree, 30 degree. Find the distance between the two boats. So from the given question we can identify these things. First object is aeroplane, another one two boats, another one the height of the aeroplane from the ground is given as 1800 meter. From the ground is 1800 meter. 1800 meter. See the angle of depression of the two boats from the aeroplane are 60 degree, 30 degree. மேல aeroplane இருந்து கீழ இருக்கிற boats பார்க்கிறதுனால it is depression. The object is below our head. So we are seeing board பார்க்கணும்னா we have to bow your head. So it is depression. Find the distance between the two boats. So now we first draw the diagram. I already told for doing this exercise sums you need the diagram first. If the diagram is correct, then only the calculation also correct. So they give aeroplane. So I draw the diagram like this. Here I mark it as aeroplane. Here is the aeroplane. I mark it as like this. From that the person is seeing two boats. So this is first boat, second one, second boat. For denoting the boats I write it as dot. Now I have to complete this diagram. One right angle triangle we have to form. So I write the height is given as 1800 meter. So I draw like this. So I mark this one as first boat, this is second boat. These are things. The person is seeing the boat first. So the line of sight. So I draw like this. He is seeing the first two boats. The angle is given as 60 degree, 30 degree. In the page number 251, they give one diagram. That is before this exercise, they give one diagram. According to the diagram, the angle inside near to the right angle is highest one. Second diagram kuduthirupanga. It is given as highest angle. So you see one boat first, second you see another one boat. உள்ள இருக்கிற angle வந்து எப்பவுமே வந்து bigger தான் இருக்கும், வெளியில இருக்கிறது ஸ்மாலா இருக்கும். So I see the first boat at the angle of depression 60 degree. So I mark it as this angle 60 degree depression. So two times we have to mark the angle. So I mark it as 60 degree. This is 90 degree. You see the another here also it is 60 degree. You see the another boat. It is giving us 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. So this is also 30 degree. Alternate angles. So these two are things they given. Next the altitude. Altitude means the height at which the airplane is flying is the altitude, that is height. That is given as 1800 meter. These are the things they are giving in the question. So we have to complete the diagram. So I write it as A, B, line of sight. So C, D, E. புரியுதான்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. B is the position at which the airplane is flying. D and E are the two boats. I draw complete the diagram. First one 60 degree. Page number 251 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா they give the reason. உள்ளர இருக்கிற angle big angle தான் இருக்கணும். வெளியில இருக்கிறது small angle இருக்கணும். So this diagram we have to finish. So here we have to find the distance between the boats. ரெண்டு boatsக்கு இடையில உள்ள distance தான் அவங்க கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So you have to find the distance between the boats. That is DE, you have to find it. For this I have to take two right angle triangle. So here we want to consider about the hypotenuse. So we have to use only the tan. Hypotenuse பத்தி எதா கேட்டிருந்தாங்க sin cos we have to refer that trigonometry ratio. They ask only the distance between adjacent side தான் இந்த right angle triangle கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So opposite side is given, adjacent side they are asking, so we have to find tan only. So we can complete that one. So let AB is the height at which the airplane is flying. The AB is the height at which the airplane is flying. The airplane is flying. Aeroplane at which the aeroplane flying is flying. Next, let D and E are the positions of two boats. Therefore, by data or by the condition, by the given condition, they give AB equal to 1800 meter. Next, angle CBD. Angle CBD over angle கொண்டு வரும். CBD angle CBD. Alternate angles எடுத்தீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. It is equal to BDA. That is equal to angle BDA. That is equal to 30 degree. Next one, angle, comma, there is no space. So I write like inside I write it as angle CBE. Angle CBE is equal to angle BEA. That is equal to 60 degree. So whatever the given in the question, we mark everything. We have to choose the first right angle triangle, another 60 degree வர மாதிரி ஒரு right angle triangle, 30 degree வர மாதிரி right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, first we take that right angle triangle BAE. 60 degree வர triangle use பண்ணுவோம். So BAE, the right angle you have to write it in the middle only. So triangle BAE, we have to write it as tan. So tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side. Opposite side is BA. BA by adjacent side EA. BA by EA. That is equal to BA, it is given as 1008, tan 60 value is √3. BA value is 1800. EA we don't know. So take it as EA as it is. that is equal to, so cross multiplying EA is equal to, it will become 1800 by root 3. So it is in the denominator you are having irrational number, so rationalize the denominator, that is multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 3. You are getting the answer as 1800 root 3, root 3 into root 3, 3. Cancelling, you are getting the answer as 600 root 3. This is the value for E. Therefore, EA is equal to 600 root 3. So, you taking the first right angle triangle, we are getting this answer. Now, you take the another right angle triangle. In right triangle, in right angle triangle or right triangle BDA, there you have to take it as tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to, so seeing the diagram, ஒரு diagram பார்த்தீங்கன்னா opposite side it is AB only, so BA or AB divided by adjacent side, here adjacent side is full one, that is AD. Tan 30 we know the value 1 by root 3, that is equal to AB 1800 by AD. AD we want to find. Cross multiplying AD is equal to 1800 root 3. Now you have to, this is the value for AD. Now you have to find the distance between the boats. So distance between the boats equal to, we can split AD as, we can split AD or we can find the distance between the DE. Anyone you can find. Okay, we can take like that. We want to find only the value for DE. So we split AD as distance, using the diagram, distance between the boats equal to, distance between the two boats is equal to, come to the next line. The distance is, according to the diagram, it is DE. I can split DE as AD minus AE. AD is 1800 root 3 minus AE. AE value is, you are getting the answer as 600 root 3. AD minus 600 root 3. That is equal to 600 root 3. That is equal to 1800 minus 600. The answer is 1200 root 3. In the question itself, they give the value for root 3. So substitute 1200 into 1.732. So subtract panning, multiply 0, 0. You are getting the answer as 2078.4. So DE equal to 2078.4 meter. So answer, distance between the boats equal to, in the first itself you multiply, simplify the denominator. இடையில கொண்டு வந்தலாம் நீங்க simplify பண்ணி, இந்த denominator you have the irrational number, you convert in, rationalize the denominator. So answer, distance between the two boats equal to, between the two boats equal to 2078.4 meter. So this is easy only. If you understand the concept, it is easy to draw the diagram. Using the diagram, just you are going to simplify. இதுல ஒண்ணு பெரியசா ஒண்ணு simplification ஒண்ணு கிடையாது. It is easy only. from the top of a lighthouse. So first object is given as lighthouse. The angle of depression. So this is also angle of depression. Next they are giving two ships. Here they give opposite direction, opposite sides. So lighthouse opposite sides they are having two ships. Is observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. Height of the lighthouse is, if the height of the lighthouse is h meter. So here they give height of the lighthouse is h meters. Not the number is not given. Then the line joining, find and the line joining the ship passes through the foot of the lighthouse. Show that the distance between the ships is 4h by root 3. In the previous sum they give same side only. Here they give opposite side. There they give the number. Here they give h meters. So same diagram, same procedure. Here opposite sides. So now I am going to draw the diagram. I am going to draw the diagram. First one they give lighthouse. So here I draw lighthouse. This is, I take it as lighthouse. In the lighthouse, opposite direction, opposite sides. So here is one boat, there is one ship. So I mark like this. So this is one, this is another boat. So from this it is depression. So I draw like this. Upper and angles one, two times. Same like here also. Lighthouse depressions they are giving. We have to find the remaining. So on the opposite sides, one angle is given as 30 degree, another one is 60 degree. So I mark this angle is 30 degree. Here are opposite side only. So anywhere I can mark it, this angle. So this is 30 degree. Next this is 60 degree. So I mark this angle as 60 degree. Parallel lines and the concept alternate angles, Z shape corner angle. Here they give height of the lighthouse. This is 90 degree. Here it is given as h meters. It is given as h meters. So I take it as h meter. I have to come to right angle triangle. You have to identify the triangles. Then you have to find the tan. They won't give anything about the hypotenuse. So I am going to give the name AB. AB is the lighthouse. So AB, CD. So this is C. Next I giving us this one as D. So C, D are the positions of the. Next for this one I giving us C, D, E, F. For line of sight I give the name like this. So this is the diagram. Using this diagram you have to take two right angle triangles. Start pannalama. Okay, right. Let AB is the height of the lighthouse. Let AB is the height of the lighthouse. Height of the lighthouse. Height of the lighthouse. Height of the lighthouse. Next, let C and D are the position of the two ships. Are the position of the two ships. These are the objects they giving in the question. By the given condition, they give AB equal to h meters. In the question they are giving AB equal to h meters. So I take it as h meters, comma, angle FBC. Angle FBC is equal to FBC equal to BCA is equal to 60 degree. Next angle EBD. EBD is equal to BDA. BDA is equal to 30 degree. So we have to take two right angle triangles. We have to find out the answer. So first one, in right angled triangle, in right angle triangle ABC. The 90 degree you have to write it in middle, so triangle BAC. Triangle BAC. Tan 60 I want to choose. So tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree equal to opposite side, that is BA divided by adjacent side CA. That is equal to BA, it is giving us H. So H by tan 60 root 3. Root 3 by H by CA. We take it as CA. So CA equal to CA, it is equal to cross multiplying. You are getting the answer H by root 3. Or you can write it as H by root 3, or you can multiply and divide it by root 3, you will get the answer. So rationalize the denominator. That is equal to H root 3 by 3. This is the value for C. Next, we have to take another right angle triangle in right angled triangle. In right angle triangle, tan 60 degree we finished. In right angle triangle, we have to take another right angle triangle BAD. So in right angle triangle BAD, tan 30 degree is equal to angle BAD. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite, that is AB by BA by AD. BA by AD. So tan 30 we know root 3. Root 3 equal to BA, it is given as H by AD we have to find. So AD. We need AD. So AD is equal to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3. Cross multiplying AD equal to H root 3. This is the value for AD. Now we have to find the distance between the ships. So distance between the ships equal to CD. Distance between the ships is equal to, that is equal to CD. I split CD as CA plus AD. CA value we know, it is given as H root 3 by 3. AD is, it is H root 3. So while you taking simplification, you can take H root 3 plus take 3 as LCM. That is 3 into H root 3. That is equal to, take H root 3 outside. You are getting 1 plus 3 or 3 times. Same like the rational numbers. So 4H root 3 by 3. So this 3 can be written as 4H root 3 by root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 get cancelled. The answer is that is equal to 4h by root 3. This is what we have to prove. Therefore, distance between the two ships equal to 4h by root 3 meters. 4h by root 3 meter. This is what we have to prove. So, hence prove. So, first you find using the two right angle triangle, you have to find the tan value. Then if you find subtract, you will get the answer. Okay, sixth sum. In the sixth sum, a lift in a building. So, this is sixth sum. A lift in a building of height 90 feet. Here the distance is given as feet. So, a lift in a building of height 90 feet with transparent glass walls is descending from the top of the building. Building oda top la irundhu lift vandu irangiட்டு இருக்கு. At the top of the building, the angle of depression. So, the angle of depression of a fountain in the garden. So, another one object is lift, another object is fountain. In the garden is 60 degree. First time the angle is 60 degree. 2 minutes later. So, here the given in time. The angle of depression reduced to 30 degree. The same object, but the depression is reduced to 30 degree. If the fountain is 30 root 3 feet from the entrance of the lift. Fountain க்கும் lift க்கும் இடையில உள்ள entrance. The entrance of the lift க்கு இடையில உள்ள distance வந்து 30 root 3 feet னா find the speed of the lift. Find the speed of the lift. Speed we know distance by time taken. Here distance is given as 30 root 3. Time taken it is 2 minutes. We have to find the distance. So now I am going to draw the diagram. So first this is from the building. This is the building. From the top of the building. So I take this one as lift. This is the ground. From the top of there is a fountain on the ground. From this one, first time the depression it is giving us 60 degree. First time kudukrappa the angle vandu 60 degree nu kuduthirukanga. So you have to mark that 60 degree. So first time depression, two times you have to mark the angle. So this is the line of sight. This is 60 degree. So this is also the angle is 60 degree. After 2 minutes, so after 2 minutes the lift is this position. Now the angle of depression. So inga irundhu nera paakranga. So line of sight to this point. So this is the line of sight. The same object is observing. So the angle of depression is 30 degree. Now this angle is 30 degree. Appo inga paakrappo this is 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. This is the time taken for this is 2 minutes. Now you have to complete the diagram. So I give the name. So A, B, next is C, next one D, E, F. The distance between the fountain and the entrance of the lift is given as 30 root 3 feet. 30 root 3 feet. You have to find. So the time distance covered in 2 minutes is AD. You have to find AD. Time taken theriyu. Distance kandupidichingina you have to find the speed of the lift. So first we write this one. Let AB is the height of the building. let AB is the height of the building. Height of the building. AB is the height of the building. AD is the distance. AD is the distance. Descending, or we won't write the word travel. No, we won't write it as traveled. Here descending by the descending. So descending by the lift in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes. And the distance, now that distance only we want to calculate. Distance descending by the lift in 2 minutes. Now we have to complete this one. So we have to complete everything. Angle EAC. EAC is equal to angle EAC is equal to angle ACB. That is equal to 60 degree. Next, FDC. Angle FDC is equal to DCB. That is equal to 30 degree. Angle EAC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. Appo 60 degree ki okay. Edu complete pandrom and line la start pannunga. Next, FDC is equal to DCB equal to 30 degree. Next, they give BC equal to 30 root 3 feet. We keep as it is. In the question they give answer, they give feet only. We have to complete the triangle. So we choose the first right triangle. In right angled triangle 60 degree varra mari triangle choose pananum. So ACB in right angle triangle so DBC tan 60. Here we want to use the angle 60 degree. So we take tan 30 in right angle triangle DCB. This is 90 degree. So DBC tan 30 degree equal to tan 30 opposite side. Opposite is BD by BC. That is equal to tan 30 1 by root 3 BD value we don't know, so keep as it is BD equal to BD divided by that is BC. That BC value 30 root 3. So you have to write it as 30 root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. You will get the answer as BD equal to 30. Feet. Everything is given in feet. So BD equal to 30 feet. The total height of the building is, here why we are finding BD means the total height of the building is given as 90 feet. So I didn't mark this one. This total height of the building is 90 feet. So for finding the distance descending by the lift, we have to find dB. That dB value is 30. So therefore, distance covered equal to, now you have to find the height, that total height. So AD we know, the total height AD is equal to AB minus BD. That AB value is, it is 90 minus 30, that is equal to 60 feet. So the distance descending by the lift in 2 minutes is 60 feet. So distance covered equal to distance covered in 2 minutes equal to distance descending by the lift in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes is equal to 60 feet. So time taken given, distance is given, you have to find the speed. So speed of the lift, speed equal to distance by time. Distance by time. The distance is 60 feet. 60 divided by time taken is 2 minutes. This is 60 feet. Time taken is 2 minutes. That is equal to 30 feet per minute. Therefore, answer, speed of the lift is equal to 30 feet per minute. Here the height of the total building is given. So we are using that right angle triangle only one time. Okay, thank you students.